That's a micro.
All right, now turning the corner, made famous as well by the Flying Tigers of the Curtiss P-40, low and to your right, coming in with a shark's tooth. Now, that was General Claire Chennault, who was fighting the Japanese for the Chinese and his group of civilian mercenary pilots. There has been movies and books written about the Flying Tigers and General Claire Chennault. They flew against superior Japanese fighters, the Japanese Zero, and they worked and made it happen for them. It didn't get shot down. Doug James now in that barking T-28. That came out initially at about 1949 to 1950. Just under 1,950 of those were built by North American Aviation as a trainer. Low and to your right, here comes the Chance Vaught Corsair. It had a production run, that airplane in front of you, from 1939 to 1952, or maybe even into 1953. It was used in the Korean War as a
en la cámara, chavos, ¿cómo se ve?
I'd like to remind you that we are celebrating the 80th anniversary of Bell Helicopters and the 25th anniversary of the Alliance Air Show. And as the F-22 Raptor taxis out, on behalf of the F-22 Raptor industry team, Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Pratt & Whitney would like to welcome everyone to today's show featuring the F-22 Air Superiority Demonstration Flight.